Hey guys, today we are going to be doing a PowerPC G3 RAM upgrade. I'm going to be installing two more 512 sticks of PC133. It's not what this Mac takes, but it works in this Mac, and I've got two 512 133 sticks in now, and these Macs, they work, they just recognize it as half of what it is. And that's a bit of a waste, so technically I have 2 gigs in here, but it'll only read 1 gig. So, let's get to it. Let me get around the tripod. I've got you guys really zoomed in, and you're pretty far away. So, let me get a front display here. Okay. Now, I'm not going to unhook everything. I'm just going to move the Mac. Actually, I'm going to unhook everything because of how it's set up. There. I don't want this crushing my MacBook, so let me move that out of the way. Okay, what do we got so far? Okay, let me readjust here, and then I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. You're adjusted. This is my RAM. Let's put these 2 sticks in. Start here. Drop it right in. Now, before I do the last stick, I want to show you what I'm talking about. This Mac takes PC100 and it maxes out at a gig. As you can see, well, this one's not very well labeled, so let me jerk out this stick here. These are always well labeled. As you can see, once I get focused, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it says 512 megabytes, PC133, and that is not what this Mac takes, but it will function on this RAM because this PC133 is dual-sided, and it will just read on one side of the RAM, only getting half of the memory there per stick. That's why I'm filling this up. So, there's that. Let me readjust you here. There we go. Close it without damaging anything. And if you've seen another video of mine, you know. Need to fix the foot. Let me get around here. Other side. Lift up. And there. Foot fixed. It's really hard to work around a tripod sometimes. But I'm doing my best. Find the graphics card in here. Plug that in. Network. And my USB. Not that one. And my VGA fell out again. Very, very nice. Pesky machine. There. Okay. Like I said. Pesky. Angle you. Excuse the mess you can see. And my reflection over here. Excuse all this. I'm working on it. Why is there an old man walking down the street? I didn't hear a bong, so that's not very good. But it is booting up. The bong's just really quiet. Maybe I just didn't hear it this time. But we do have an Apple logo. Wait for that to boot up. Maybe this will be successful. I tried a G4 RAM upgrade, but it didn't really work. I had the wrong kind of RAM. I'll have to get some of that so we can make a video on that. G3D. Come on, baby. There we go. You can see the scratch disc from the last video, if you guys were there to see. Still going strong. Still empty, haven't used it yet. Haven't installed anything on this. About this Mac. Please, fingers crossed, guys. Yes! 1 gig of RAM. I'm pretty excited about that. We've doubled our RAM, and we're getting cheated. So, let's see what we've got here. There we go. All 256 sticks, which is a lie. But, that's it. Alright. Next video I'm going to go ahead and adjust here and do it. It'll be in another video. But, as you can see, one moment, I've got a bit of a mess of RAM here. Laptop, desktop, and we are going to just sit here and go through it and organize it and see what we've got. Probably won't be a very popular video, but for some of you that like my videos, you may watch it and get some enjoyment out of it. So, it's just a bit of a time killer. So, let's get to it.